How to loop video in Capcut. So let's get started. First of all, open up Capcut and make sure to import the video that you would like to loop in Capcut. Once you have imported this video and you land on this edit page, from here what you have to do is, first of all, you have to delete this ending part. Once you have done that, now tap on your video. After that, swipe this menu bar to your left. From there, you have to tap on duplicate. After that, again perform the same step, tap on the second video and then again tap on duplicate. Now you will have two duplicate videos. From here, what you have to do is navigate to the one at the middle. Tap on it. Now again navigate to the menu bar at the bottom and swipe the menu bar to your left. From there, you have to search for reverse and then tap on reverse. Now once the reversing process is complete, you will have this reverse video at the middle and the duplicate video at the last. Now you can simply play your video from the beginning and then you will have the video on loop. Once you're satisfied with the loop, you can simply export this video to your gallery. So that's how you can loop a video in Capcut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.